So, continuing our discussion about adult cicada and the life lessons we can learn from them, we said that the adults basically have three functions: sing, mate, and die. So here we are at mate. God puts a natural instinct into these insects to live the life cycle in this way, because they have to procreate. They have to make new cicada for the future. That's how the species stays alive. I'm not telling you to go have sex. I'm not telling you to reproduce. But I am telling you to find what it is you're called to do and accomplish your mission. And collaborate about it. Don't just try to do it individually. And especially if you're a caregiver or a care receiver, you are already in a relationship with someone where you're giving and receiving care back and forth to each other. You may have multiple people in multiple stages of life that you are doing those kind of things for. And recognize that you are in a relationship. Invest yourself, just like in any other relationship you would have, whether at work or romantic or friendship. Invest yourself in that relationship of care. Some of those last a short time, some of them last a long time. You need to recognize that this is a mission and it's important. Give it priority. We all have regrets about time or events or people we wish we had spent more time with and focused more on. And, people regret that they didn't give enough attention to things. Cicadas don't have the luxury of that. They've only got a few weeks. Sing, mate, die. That's what they do as adults. Humans can restructure, reconsider, and think about how to make the connections necessary in their life for you to accomplish your mission. Today, think about what relationships you need to honor, give more priority to, so that you can be the full caregiver or care receiver that you are called to be. Be intentional.